Hello everyone, my name is Mukul Verma and today I will be presenting a very important concept in modern web development, how media queries make websites responsive. We all use websites on our devices such as phones, laptops or tablets, but have you noticed how the layout automatically changes itself on different devices? Today I will show you exactly how this happens. First, what does it means for a website to be responsive? A responsive website adapts itself to any given screen size, whether it's a large desktop monitor, a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. This improves readability, avoids zooming and horizontal scrolling, and gives the user a much better and smooth experience everywhere. Now let's talk about the real hero behind this, the media query. Media query are special CSS rules that let us apply different stylings depending on the screen characteristics. Just as given in this image, if by default the body's background color will be light blue. If the width becomes more than 400 pixels, then the background color will become light green. And if the width becomes more than 800 pixels, then when the background color becomes lavender. With just few lines of CSS, we can completely change the layout for different devices. Here's a simple example. This media queries activates with the screen width of 600 pixels or less. It changes the layout directions from rows to columns, perfect from the mobile screens. Now I will show you a live example using HTML and CSS how media queries lets us apply different stylings depending on the screen width. Here's a live example in which I have created three divs and each div have been given a class named box, and these three divs are placed inside another div that has been given a class named as container. And using the CSS, I have given these boxes a horizontal layout using the flexbox direction. Now when we go look this in a web page, we can clearly see that these are being arranged, the three boxes are being arranged in a orderly fashion without any issues. But when I decrease the width, the screen width, we can clearly see that the boxes are being squeezed in, implying that this website is not exactly a user-friendly website or any device with less screen width. So as to resolve this issue, I will add a media query here in the CSS file and rate media max width so that when the width reaches let's say 600 pixel, uh, container box, the flex direction becomes column. This media query suggests that as soon as the screen width becomes 600 pixel or less, the uh, flexbox direction will arrange these three boxes in a column wise manner rather than their by default horizontal manner. So as soon as we reach to the website, here we can see the dimension, width dimension. Now when I decrease it, and as soon as it reaches less than 600 pixel, we can clearly see that these boxes are being arranged in a column wise manner rather than their usual horizontal manner. This will help a user on a mobile screen or any screen with less than 600 pixel or equal to 600 pixel easily manage and easily see and manage the website. And this is exactly how a responsive design works. So to wrap up, media queries allows website to automatically adjust their layout depending on the user screen. Using simple CSS rule, we can make website easy to use on phones, tablets, screens, or desktops. Media queries are a fundamental part of responsive web design, and every modern website uses them. Thank you for watching my presentation.